Hello, welcome back. It's been a while since I made my last video and sorry. I was a little bit distracted by doing some quadcopter flying, and well, I sold it on and got some other stuff for that in the return. So this will be on a video on my Arduino project in the wagon of the Sillertalbaan, and I wanted to tell you that it is well, technically I say it's done for now. Maybe I can add some other stuff later, but I think for now it's done. I've installed everything and it's working. I got some animated figures in there, and they work as well on all on the remote control. So let's see what I've done and how it looks. Here we have a little bit of a look on the inside of the wagon, and you see I planted all the electronic stuff underneath the benches. Here is a a buck converter for converting the track power via a bridge rectifier, which is on this circuit board here, down to about 8 to 9 volts. From this, the 8 volt goes into this 5 volt regulator, linear regulator, and that drives the Arduino, which is stuck beside this little lady. And you can see the little red light on there. That's to warm her feet. It also drives, this one also drives the figurines, and well, that's basically it. It doesn't do anything more. Now, of course, I have the interior lights. The roof is off, so the lights are disconnected from that. There's a little plug here, and that is to goes to the roof lights, which are an LED strip cut to length and some wires soldered on. So then we have we can turn that on, but it's not on yet, but it has to be on in order for the toilet light to come on. And there is the toilet light. Here in the top of the toilet there is a huge capacitor. That's to keep the Arduino from resetting if the wagon comes over a little bit of dirt on the track. What I've also got is, and I will turn everything on, is I've got some rear lights, or tail lights. If this wagon is to be used on the rear of the train, they can turn on some red lights as a tail light. So, and it's not only on this side, and I've let you see that it's also on this side. So this is function number 2. And this one is function number 3. I wrote that down, everything, on a little paper, so I'll keep them on. It's on now. Oh, this one is on as well. Furthermore, I got some motion in here, and I'll just show you through the window. On function switch number 4, we get this guy moving his head. He's telling the conductor, "No sir, I don't have a ticket." And this woman is just having a little bit of a fit and is having a little bit of a discussion with somebody else somewhere in the train, or just moving her hand up and down. It's all being driven by a small geared motor. And yeah, that's it. I will do some other a video on how I did this, but that will be a while. So yeah, that's it. Here you can see the man and the woman from the other side, and you can see the little motor. It's underneath there. It's driven by a MOSFET, same as the roof lights from the Arduino, and this basically goes from this MOSFET. It goes the 5 volt goes through a 480 ohms resistor onto the motor. The motor is roughly running at 2 volts thereabout. So and the maximum power of the voltage to the motor is 3 volts. So it's not a really high powered motor. Here we have the wagon with the roof on. And we take a little bit of a look inside, and then you can see even better the crank on the motor. Just pieces of brass and rod and tubing, and that runs the little miss. Now these figurines came from eBay, and it was about 12 euros for 24 of them. So there's not a lot of diversity. And there's one laying down. She was a little bit ill. Need to glue her in place, or I use a double-sided foam. Yeah. So from this this wagon is done. So this probably will be the last video of me talking to you on a video, and because of that I want to say to all of my subscribers a happy Christmas, a Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year, and a good New Year with lots of train fun. I hope to do more videos in the next year, and at least videos without involvement of quadcopters. So well, that's it. See you in the next year, and have a good Christmas and good holidays. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.